Bonjour et bienvenue à Cooking with Andrew. Since I am on the verge of France, today we're going to be making French toast. Our ingredients today are 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon sugar, optional, just a tad of salt, a cup of milk, 10 to 12 slices of bread, butter, syrup, and chili powder. Sacre bleu! We're out of chili powder. We're going to have to substitute with cinnamon instead. Now you'll want to break the eggs into the bowl. And beat lightly with a fork. Then stir in some, stir in the milk, the salt, and the sugar. Now under medium-low heat, coat the girdle with butter. Do not use margarine. Now we'll add just a tad of cinnamon for a little bit of flavor, and then we'll put in the bread slices one at a time until they're nice and soaked on one side, and then turn them over until they're nice and soaked on the other side. You know, that reminds me of a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Sorry. Now we're going to put the toast onto the buttery girdle, and when one side is brown, we'll flip them over and brown the other side. That wasn't brown. We'll get back to that one a little bit later. And now our French toast is done.
It's about time.
And then it's only complete with some syrup and a pat of butter. And bacon strips.
Not bad. Wish it was coated in margarine though. 3 out of 5 stars.
Best French toast ever. Seconds, please. 5 out of 5 stars.
I hate this. I hate you. Negative 14 out of 5 stars.
Looks like a general consensus with everyone. 36 out of 5 stars. Now we just have to pop these dishes in the dishwasher. Wait, where's the dishwasher? If you'd like to see the recipe for yourself, the link is in the description. If you want some more Cooking with Andrew, the annotations are on the screen here. See you next time.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da.